we're focusing on the business auto coverage form for the property and casualty exam, a topic guaranteed to show up. Unlike personal auto policies, commercial auto coverage is defined by numerical symbols found on the declarations page. The exam will test your knowledge of what these symbols mean, especially symbols 1, 7, 8, and 9. Symbol 1 provides the broadest liability coverage for any auto, which includes owned, hired, and non-owned vehicles. A common exam trap is assuming symbol 1 applies to physical damage as well. It's typically for liability only because of the high risk. Symbol 7, specifically described autos, is the most common and restrictive. It only covers vehicles listed on the policy. For instance, if a business with symbol 7 coverage buys a new truck and has an accident before adding it to the policy, there is no coverage. Next are hired and non-owned autos. Symbol 8 covers hired autos, which are vehicles the business leases, hires, rents, or borrows. Symbol 9 covers non-owned autos, which are vehicles used for business that the company doesn't own, lease, or hire. Think of an employee using their personal car for a work errand. The exam loves to trick you here. Symbol 9 provides liability protection for the business, not the employee. The employee's personal auto policy is primary. Now, let's talk about employees as insureds. An employee is considered an insured while using a covered auto owned by the business, but the standard policy excludes their liability when they drive their own car for business. An employees as insured's endorsement can be added to provide them with excess coverage over their personal policy. Finally, comparing commercial auto to a personal auto policy, or PAP, is crucial. A PAP typically excludes coverage for vehicles used to transport goods or people for a fee. While occasional business use might be tolerated, regular use requires a business auto policy, which provides higher liability limits and is designed for business risks. To remember the key symbols, use this phrase. Symbol 1 is for anyone. Symbol 7 is for the specific vehicles listed. Symbol 8 is for what you rent, and symbol 9 is not mine. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.